everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a quick little DIY gift that you can put together for anyone for any occasion. And that would be wine and chocolate covered strawberries. To put this box together, I used about 4 sheets of tissue paper, 2 square dowels, some tape, Ferrero Rocher, some artificial flowers. You can use real ones, but I had some fake ones on hand, some mini cupcake liners, chocolate to dip your strawberries, a bottle of wine, some shredded paper, and a box to put it in. This is just a cake box. I layered 4 layers of tissue paper at different angles to get this layered effect. And I used the square dowels here to hold my bottle in place so it doesn't roll around. And all I did was tape it down. Because the bottle is pretty heavy, it stays pretty well. So I have it balancing there, and as you can see, it's not rolling around when I shake the box. My chocolate covered strawberries are complete. I just did a simple diagonal drizzle. I have multiple videos on how to do chocolate dipped strawberries. I will link them all in the description box. I wanted to share a little tip when it comes to putting your strawberries in liners. My friend Michelle from Shell's Sugar Rush, she taught me to use the mini cupcake liners for the strawberries so that it fits more snugged and comfortably, rather than it being in the regular size cupcake liner where there is so much room and it just doesn't look as good. And when you pack it in the box, it just looks nice and tidy when it's in a little cupcake liner. So that's a tip that you can keep in mind. Alright, it's time to assemble. And just for reference, I am using a cake box that is 14 by 10 and 4 inches. Everything fit pretty snugged in here. I used about a dozen Ferrero Rocher and about a dozen chocolate strawberries. As filler, again, I used the shredded paper and a few flowers. All right, first things first, I have my rods in place. I'm gonna add the Stella Rosa wine bottle. Make sure it's straight and it doesn't move. The next thing I'm gonna add is our shredded paper. I'm gonna add the flowers. Now, how easy was that? You can make this for any occasion, for anyone special, and it doesn't have to be for one person. Bring it to your next holiday party. I hope this inspired you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!